Start. Two principles of construction, one relating to omniscience and the other in regard to reading the statue as a whole, appear to be well settled. Full stop. Under the first principle, a cautious omniscience cannot be supplied by the court except in the case of clear necessity and when reason for it is found in the four corners of the statue itself, but at the same time a should not be readily inferred, and that for that purpose all the parts of a statue or section must be construed together, and every clause of a section should be construed with reference to the context and other clauses thereof, so that the construction to be put on a particular provision makes a consistent enactment of the whole statute. Full stop. This would be more so if literal construction of a particular clause leads to manifestly absurd or anomalous results which could not have been intended by the legislature. Full stop. An intention to so and result said that in arbitration of is not to be imputed to a statue if there is some other construction available. Full stop. Where to apply words literally would defeat the obvious intention of the legislation and produce a wholly unreasonable result. We must do some violence to the words and so achieve that obvious intention and produce a rational construction. Full stop. This is not a new problem, though our standard of drafting is such that it rarely emerges. Full stop. Para. The plea relating to applicability of the stare decisis principles is clearly unacceptable. Full stop. The decision in was rendered on much prior to the amendment by the 1984 Act. Full stop. If the legislature intended to give a new lease of life in those cases where the declaration under section 6 is quashed, there is no reason why it could not have done so by specifically providing for it. Full stop. In fact, that legislature specifically provided for periods covered by orders of stay or injunction clearly shows that no other period was intended to be excluded, and that there is no scope for providing any other period of limitation. Full stop. The maximum actus and highlighted by the full bench of the Madras High Court has no application to the fact situation of this case. Full stop. Para. The view expressed in case and case is not correct and is overruled, while that expressed in A.S. Nidhi and case and Oxford's case is affirmed. Full stop.